Welcome to this lesson on formal and informal greetings in English. In this video, we will explore how to greet people differently depending on the situation. The way you say hello changes based on who you are talking to and where you are. Let's learn when and how to use each type of greeting. Formal greetings are used in professional, respectful, and polite situations. You use them when you want to show respect or maintain a professional distance. Informal greetings are used in casual, friendly, and relaxed situations. You use them with people you know well or in relaxed environments. Hello is a neutral greeting that works in almost all situations. It is appropriate for both formal and informal contexts. Hi is a friendly and casual greeting. It is more common in everyday use with people you know or in relaxed settings. Both are safe choices, but hello is more versatile. Hey is a very casual greeting. Use it only with friends and people your age. Never use hey in formal situations. Dear Sir is a written formal greeting. You use it in professional letters and emails when addressing someone you do not know well or in business situations. Dear Sir shows respect and formality. Use formal greetings in these situations: job interviews, business meetings, professional emails, official letters, and when meeting your superiors or clients. In these contexts, you should use greetings like Dear Sir or Madam, Good morning, or How do you do? Formal greetings show professionalism and respect. Use informal greetings with friends and family, schoolmates, in casual conversations, on social media, and in texting and messaging apps. In these relaxed settings, you can use greetings like Hey there, What is up, or How is it going? Informal greetings show friendliness and comfort. Here are real examples of formal greetings: Dear Sir or Madam, Good morning, and How do you do? These are appropriate for business and professional settings. Here are real examples of informal greetings: Hey there, what is up, and how is it going? These are appropriate for friends and casual settings. Remember these important tips. First, always match your greeting to the situation you are in. Second, listen to how other people greet you and follow their example. Third, when you are unsure about the right greeting, choose the formal approach. It is better to be more formal than too casual in unfamiliar situations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.